This is the wheel lock for all bikes. Here it is written best quality, adding value to automobile worldwide. You can go through the details here. These are the details, and these are the details. Here also details are there. This is Fauna Industries, Aligarh. So it will look like this. While installing this, we will have a look. These are the two rubber pads. These pads will come here. These pads will come here like this. While installation, I will show you like this. When you unlock this, it will come out like this, like this. While installation, I will show you how to exactly fit this. You will get two keys here. This is of good quality one. Here it is the good grip. It's a best quality, heavy duty one. This is the heavy duty one. What are all the things inside this box is? This is one U-clamp, and this is the locking unit, and two rubber pads, and two keys. I hope this YouTube video is useful and helpful. Let us meet again.